What's going on, everyone? So as you can see, we are in the backyard. Got a lot of work to do. I'm gonna show you guys the easier way to pretty much clean up the leaves in your backyard, so that way you don't break your back, nor do you have to waste a lot of time cleaning up leaves. So stay with me. I'm gonna show you guys around. There's that beautiful Lexus IS 250. Basking in all that glory. Show you what we're working with. This John Deere, the starter is bad. It's been bad for 2 years, but I typically hand crank it. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly my process. Alright, so we're going to mulch up the leaves into a pile. So we're going to go around the yard a couple of times just to mulch it up. So as you can see, nice and steady. Alright guys, as you can see, we got some of the grass up. I didn't get most because I'm going to basically use our leaf blower to blow majority of the leaves onto the lawn. We'll plan another day to kind of get like over there by the gate and, you know, offside, but majority of the thing that I want to focus on is pretty much clean up the lawn and then clean up the driveway. So as you can see here in the driveway, we have nothing but leaves. So we're gonna go ahead and get our leaf blower and just blow it all into the grass, take our lawnmower and do the same thing. Yeah, so that's my good old trusty John Deere 170. It needs a little bit cleaning, but she still runs good. When I bought it, the only thing that me and my dad really did was we replaced all of the belts. We replaced all the belts. Shucks. All that within an hour at first, another hour. Say about, if I was really kicking at it, I could have knocked this all out within 2 hours compared to just raking. Alright guys, it's getting late. Losing light. And as you can see, this area, it's clean. Majority of it's clean, and we use the leaf blower to blow all of the leaves in the backyard, and we're just basically going to use the John Deere to mulch up the remaining leaves back there. If you don't have a riding lawnmower, you can always get the job done with a push mower. You can also use an actual leaf vacuum. It basically vacuums the leaves inside, mulch it up into the bag, and you know, once it gets full, you can just pretty much dump the leaves out the bag. It's a bit more tedious in comparison to just using my John Deere. Will mulch up the leaves and it will actually blow it to a pile. So if I drive in a circle, it will basically mulch it up into a pile. Both of these yard tools will get the job done, and it will definitely save your back. See, we got a nice good pile here of mulched up leaves. Pretty decent for doing all of this. Alright guys, as you guys can see, more leaves have fallen down. What I forgot to do is kind of show you guys my process of bagging mulch up leaves. Typically take 2 shovels, and I basically use the shovels to scoop the leaves in a bag. Alright guys, so these are the shovels that I typically use when it comes to raking the leaves up in the bag. Two big and one small shovel. So as you can see, I'm pretty much using that small shovel to shovel the leaves, and then take the second shovel to clamp it down. Now what I'm gonna do is drop it in the trash can. Now that trash can, it has a hole inside of it, so that way the air can escape. Again, shovel, scoop, clamp, and drop on down. Yeah. Then we got another pile. Scoop, clamp, and drop it down. There we go. Now that's one of those shovels that have a bend in it, so that way it doesn't really stress your back. And that small shovel we're using to push down the leaves. Now you could use this with a standard shovel. It's all up to your preference. Again, that's a nice gulp size. Yeah, see now I'm using a regular shovel just to push it down. There you go. Now as you can see, we got the bag full, so we're just gonna go ahead and pack it down and throw it on the back of the trailer. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen.